Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to share with you some of my January makes. It's only a few things, and I also want to show you what I am currently working on. So the first thing that I made was this pattern here. It is Jalie 3355, and I made these sweatpants here. I've made them before, and I made another pair. I just used some gray sweatshirt fleece that I'd actually bought online, I believe from fabric.com. It's got a nice pocket, very easy to make and very comfortable. So that was my first project for the year. The next thing I made was this sweater. Let me show you the pattern envelope. This here. And I've made this before. This is on the blog, but I've made it before in a white cable knit sweater knit fabric. This one I got fabric from Minerva.com. I was gifted fabric because I'm one of the Minerva makers. So I used that. This is a slub sweater knit in a burnt orange color. And this is really soft. The pattern is very easy to make. Like I said, I've made it before. The only thing that I did differently this time was I did not add the buttons here on the collar that actually hold the collar down in the front. I think without the buttons it gives it a more casual look, and so that's really what I wanted for this one. But it's such a nice sweater, and it's a really classic style and design. So if you've got this pattern, give it a try. It's got some variations as well. You can do short sleeve, long sleeve with a more of a turtleneck type of neck on it rather than this type of collar. But yeah, if you've got this pattern, it's definitely worth it. It's McCall 6796 is the pattern number. Really nice option there. And the last thing I did in January was this orange and navy blue fleece jacket. This is McCall's 5252. This is recently put on the blog, this make here. I've had this pattern for a while. I actually mistakenly bought it 3 times, but that's actually good because it comes in small, medium, and large, and it's for men and women. So I've got a pattern that I can cut out for each size, and I don't have to worry about having to trace the pattern or anything, which is great because that'll save me time. But this jacket is really nice. Now I did shorten this one because this fabric here, the orange, was left over from a previous project, and the blue was actually left over from making the first pair of the same sweatpants with the Jalie pattern that I did. So this is a really nice jacket. It's got a chest pocket here and 2 side front pockets. I did not put the Velcro. You can put Velcro on the sides here just to make sure you keep everything closed. I didn't do that with this one. And I do have plans to make another one that is actually the correct length. This one is about 4 inches shorter than what the pattern calls for. So I will actually be making another one that's at the right length. So that'll be coming up soon. And as far as what I am currently working on, I'm about to cut out this sweatshirt here. It's called the Bleecker sweatshirt, and it's from Sewing in the City. this was a pattern I was given the opportunity to get for free. So I'm going to give this one a try. It's fairly simple. It's an oversized sweatshirt. It's got ruffles, a ruffle detail on the sleeve. And although I don't think I'm going to do ruffles, I have something else in mind. So we'll see how that goes. But this is the fabric that I'm going to use for this one. This is a sweatshirt fleece. It's extremely soft. I got this one at moodfabrics.com. I got that online from Mood. So I'm going to be making this, and this should be something that's pretty easy and fairly straightforward to put together, but I will let you know how that one goes. And that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you like. You can click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put up a new video. And that's it, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks. Bye.